Welcome to Health and Fitness. We will talk about rice water for hair treatment and regrowth. The technique of using rice water for hair is not a new generation trend but an age-old recipe to have long beautiful hair. It is recorded that in many towns in China as well as Japan, females used to apply rice water for hair growth and to make them shiny, black and strong. Huanghua Yao Village in China was famous for women having long hair, and henceforth that village was famously called as the land of Rapunzel. Even in Japan, a place named Red Yao Tribe followed a practice where every woman in the community used to wash her hair with rice water. There is a famous article written in Hein period 794-1186 in Japan which lays down an anecdotal evidence that women used rice water for hair or boiling rice for hair treatment and growth. Japan women believed that rice water repairs damaged hair, reduces hair breakage, reduces friction and increases elasticity as it contains various vitamins and minerals. Boiled rice water for hair. It is the easy of all and pretty easy to make at your home. Take half a bowl of rice, it usually depends on the volume of your hair. So, you got a huge volume of hair, take more rice, boil the rice, boil it till the water turns milk white. Rice water is basically the boiling water we strain out while making rice, keep it for 15 minutes and let it cool down, then slowly apply the water with cotton balls or hands in your scalp, leave it for around 15 to 17 minutes, in your hair, then rinse your hair with cold water. It is usually advised that you do not use any kind of cosmetic, such as shampoo or conditioner while rinsing the rice water as it is a natural thing and is beneficial in the long run. Wash your hair maybe a day after you have applied the rice water or in the evening on the same day. Uncooked rice water for hair. Take a bowl of rice, wash them thoroughly with clean and fresh cold water, fill the rice bowl with water and cover it with a clean cloth, keep it for around 30 to 40 minutes, then strain the water from rice and collect it in a bowl, apply this rice water on your scalp carefully, leave it for 15 minutes then wash your hair with clean water. Fermented rice water for hair. Take 2 bowls of rice, add twice the quantity of water in the rice and leave it for around 30 to 40 minutes, then strain the rice water and collect it in a glass bottle, leave the rice water in a dark room for about 3 to 4 days. Remember to keep a check on the rice water after the second day, and when the sour smell starts coming from the glass bottle, which would mean that the rice water has been fermented, then you can keep it in the refrigerator in order to preserve it, and can apply on your hair accordingly. Fermented rice is more beneficial than boiled or uncooked rice water for hair as it decreases the pH level of the rice water to the same as pH level of our hair and provides essentials and effective minerals and vitamins to our hair. Fermented water for hair is also recommended as it penetrates into our scalp nicely. This water can also be used as a conditioner. If you want more nourishment, then you can use essential oils such as rosemary, tea tree, clary sage, eucalyptus, geranium etc. It should be noted especially for people with curly hair should avoid leaving rice water in hair for too long. It is advised that 12 to 15 minutes are more than enough to make hair bouncy and shiny. But rice water is very effective and following the pattern for a month only will attract a lot of benefits. Thanks for watching.